Hey, welcome to Everyday Jewish Mom. My name is Marty and it is Purim. Purim is the best holiday to celebrate with your kids. We've been doing all sorts of things, including making Hamantaschen. And those Hamantaschen we give away in Mishloach Manot. A Mishloach Manot bag is a bag of food to help someone celebrate the holiday of Purim. And so traditionally it has Hamantaschen in it and then other food items. I love this tradition for a whole bunch of different reasons. We started doing it a couple of years ago. One is that I love to cook and feed people, and if I'm baking Hamantaschen, kinda gotta get them out of my house or I will eat them all myself. It also helps establish our Jewish community and our Jewish friends. We live in an area where there aren't a lot of Jews, so most of the Jews, or all of the Jews that we know, go to temple with us. So it's really nice to share that tradition with them. It makes us feel more like a community. And I love having my kids give. Any tradition that involves making something and giving it works for me. It's the first thing that we did was make Hamantaschen. I made some with my kids during the day, and then once they went to bed, I made a whole lot more. When it comes to producing a lot of something, it is easier without little hands. If you want to make Hamantaschen with your kids, I have a whole video about that, so check it out. So now that we have a whole stockpile of Hamantaschen, I put out all sorts of things so that my kids could decorate the bags that we're going to be giving out. I got these plain white bags and lots of things to decorate. I actually left all of this stuff out on our kitchen table so that when my kids woke up in the morning, they could start doing it themselves. And the next thing that we did was fill them. We each took a couple of Hamantaschen and put it into one of these clear bags. For ours, we put little noisemaker grogger things for any time anyone says, "Amen." And then I put a lot of candy in there too, because candy. Once the bags were packed, we hit the road. I give Mishloach Manot bags to Jewish families that we're friendly with. I created a route of which houses we were going to hit when, but if you have bigger kids, this is a great opportunity to make a map that they can follow along, or even they can make the map. And I love having my kids be the ones who deliver the packages. So they'll hop out of the car and head up to the stairs. If they're nervous, I'll hop out too. Ring the doorbell. Someone will come to the door and you just say, "Happy Purim," and give them their package. If they weren't home, we would leave the package outside the front door, and I would usually send a text. Not everyone uses their front door, and especially since it's food, I want to make sure that they find it. And actually, some families invited us in, so this activity ended up taking a larger part of the day than I was expecting in the most wonderful way. So I hope that this video got you excited about sharing this Purim tradition. Don't forget to subscribe. I put out videos all year round on Jewish things you can do with your kids. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook, and check out what else I've got going on.